How to delete DeepSeek AI account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your DeepSeek AI account step by step. Whether you no longer want to use app or want to start a new phrase, I'll guide you through the entire process. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the DeepSeek AI app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account that you want to delete. And this is the important step as you need to access your account settings. Now, moving forward to the process, you simply need to tap on the two dash icon in the top left corner. And from the pop-up menu that appears, simply tap on your profile email. And after that, you will be prompted to your profile section. In this section, you can see the option labeled Delete Account. Simply tap on that. And after tapping on that, a confirmation message will pop out. From there, you simply have to tap on Delete. And after tapping on that, your DeepSeek AI account will be deleted. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily delete your DeepSeek AI account. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.